Hey everyone! Today, we've got a quick and handy tutorial for you. Ever encountered issues with your function keys not working properly on Windows 10 or 11? Well, fear not, because we've got the solution for you. Whether you're using a desktop or a laptop, the fix is simple. Just take a look at your keyboard. See that FN key? It's usually located at the left-hand side, typically near the bottom. Now, here's the magic trick. Press and hold down the FN key, and at the same time, hit the escape key. Voila! That's all it takes to enable your function keys. Now, if you ever want to disable them again, just repeat the same process. Press and hold down the FN key, and then hit escape once more. Easy, right? Now you can toggle your function keys on and off whenever you need to. So, there you have it, folks. A quick and easy fix for those pesky function key issues. Let us know in the comments section below if this method worked for you. And hey, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.